This numerical, a capacitor is connected for 0.2 seconds across a 200 volt power supply. The current being steady at 0.12 ampere, we need to calculate its charge and capacitance. So let's draw the circuit diagram. Here this is the closed circuit where this is the capacitance and this is the voltage. Okay, if the connectivity is like this, the current will flow from the positive to negative direction, so the direction of the flow of current is upward, right? And you can read the question carefully. The current flowing through the capacitor C is steady, and the value of that current is 0.12 ampere. It's given as I equal to 0.12 ampere, right? I am just showing it over here, 0.12 ampere. Now the data is given into this numerical is I, the steady current is 0.12 ampere, and just to calculate the charge, we know that the charge deposited on the capacitor, right, that is Q, is given by Q equal to I into T, where Q is the charge, I is the current, and T is the time period, right? Here we are knowing the value of I, and this is 0.2 second as time. So I am writing it over here, time period T equal to 0.2 seconds. And I is 0.12 ampere, it's already known to us. Just put up the value over here. This value of I of 0.12 ampere will be multiplied with time of 0.2 second to get the value of Q as 24 coulomb into 10 to the power minus 3, that is 0.024 coulombs. So now we are having the value of charge, right? Here you can also see the data given into the question. 200 volt is the voltage supply, power supply, right? So writing the same, that is the voltage across the capacitor or condenser is given as 200 volts. So writing this value over here equal to 200 volts. You know the relation Q equal to C times V, where Q is the charge in coulombs, C is the condenser's capacity, that is capacitance, and V is the voltage, right? So if Q equal to C times V, we know the value of Q, that is 0.024 coulombs, that we have already calculated. So just put up this value, and this will be divided by the voltage, that is 200 volts, to get the capacitance value in farads, right? So just this is a simple arithmetic calculation. Just divide it to get our answer as C, the value of capacitance as 120 microfarad, which is our answer. So it's very easy question, and you can solve these questions very easily by using this formula. Thank you so much for watching, and keep on watching. Happy learning. So yeah, I've just corrected the decimal place. It's